doing? I am back for another subscription box, and this time we're going to dig in with our Ipsy. As always, Ipsy's information will be detailed on the link down below. If you want to know what's in our September 2018, then keep watching. So, okay, let's talk about the bag. So far, this is my favorite for the entire year. Having said that, because of the lashes, like, I can sport this like all the time. Like, I can put this in my purse or just use it by itself and just be cute. Anyways, this is our purse for September 2018. First item is a face sheet mask. This is a Korean beauty product. And you know what? Anything avocado, if you put avocado on your face, whether it's fresh or face sheet mask, you won't be sorry for your skin because this is very potent. Avocado helps rejuvenate your skin, and if you're thinking of picking up your face sheet mask next time, think about avocado. The next product is a makeup brush from Luxy. This is the brush 110. I love this. Like, every time I receive makeup brush, like, I'm the happiest kid in town. The next item is from Smashbox. This is a liquid lipstick, and what number or what color is this? It doesn't says. Okay, I got the Babe Alert color. What's the name? Oh, I like the peach undertone of this liquid lipstick. I can see myself using this during the fall season, but you know what? I already have so much similar color of this lipstick, so I'm going to put this on my giveaway goodies. Then the next item is from Princess. This is an eyeshadow powder. We got the color Pretty Petal, and I think this is something like rose color. I'm not yet sure. I don't want to open it because I don't want to ruin the product since I'm not going to use it as of yet. I can probably use this on my next video tutorial. And then the last item from our box is the nail polish from Pretty Woman. As you know, Pretty Woman nail polish brand is a cruelty-free product. So if you love nail polish, check out their website. I'm going to put all the links down below. All in all, I love the makeup purse for September 2018. The rest of the products, I love them all. I can see myself using all these products in future tutorial, and some of the products that I already have in my stash, I'm going to set aside and put it in my giveaway box. And that's it for our September 2018 Ipsy unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like to invite you to please come join the gang by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you get notified on all my video uploads. Thank you so much. I love you guys.